Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 5,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.